Tired of handling inventory and shipping? Let's integrate CJ Dropshipping with your Wix website to automate your online business and ditch the storage headaches. First things first, head over to the Wix app market, search for CJ Dropshipping. Within the market you'll find various dropshipping apps. Make sure you select the official CJ Dropshipping app for a seamless connection. Once you've located the app, click the Add to Site button. This will prompt you to grant the app permissions to access certain functionalities within your Wix store. Give it permission to function to ensure it works correctly. Now, after the app is installed, you will need to log in or create an account with CJ Dropshipping. Follow the prompts within the Wix app to link your existing CJ Dropshipping account, or create a new one directly. With your accounts linked, it's time to import products. Browse the CJ Dropshipping product catalog, and select the items you wish to sell on your Wix store. Click the List button to import them. Before publishing the imported products, make sure to review and customize the product details. Edit titles, descriptions, pricing, and images to align with your brand style. This is important to attract customers. Now that your products are imported and customized, you need to configure order fulfillment automation. Enable automatic order sensing within the CJ Dropshipping app settings to ensure orders placed on your Wix store are directly sent to CJ Dropshipping for processing. Finally, keep a close eye on your inventory and sales performance within both Wix and CJ Dropshipping. Regularly check stock levels, order status, and tracking information to ensure smooth order fulfillment and customer satisfaction. Now you can sit back and watch the store manage itself.